Hello, thank you for joining us today. Landegger Verano Davis is an employment law firm exclusively representing employers and business owners. We have over 40 years of experience in advising and defending employers. Before we begin, please like this video if you find the information helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and enable the notification bell for new video uploads. So why workplace vaccine mandate? Well, under the mandate announced on September 9th, all employers with 100 or more workers will have to require that their employees be vaccinated or undergo at least weekly COVID-19 testing. Employers that don't comply can face fines of up to about $14,000, according to the Biden administration. So today we're going to talk to our employment attorney, Kristina Kourasis, about the latest hot topic. Hello, Kristina. What's going on?
One of the most common questions that I've been getting from my employer clients is whether an employee's request for exemption for religious reasons is sufficient. And what I usually get is I get a form that the employee fills out. And in the form, there are usually a few blanks that the employee gets to fill out. But one of the blanks is, the type of religion that they're claiming an exemption under and the reasons, right? So a lot of times my client is really skeptical in terms of, well, does this reason really qualify the employee for this exemption? And having read everything there is to read for this type of exemption that the EEOC and the DFEH provides, I tend to err on the side of caution and tell my clients that as long as the employee provided the type of religion which they're claiming an exemption under. So for example, just to name a few, for example, there's Jehovah's Witness or Christianity or Catholicism. It really doesn't matter. I've also had one that's less of a traditional religion. It doesn't have to be a religion involving a deity. It could be something that is a deeply rooted or the test is sincerely held belief, right? It could be anything like, the employees believe that there are yogi spirits, and that's fine too. So as long as it is clarified in the form that this is the type of religion that they hold, the source of the religion, and some explanation that demonstrates that this employee really believes that this is the basis for them on which they are unable to get vaccinated. It is not required for them to provide a certification or a letter from their priest, pastor, or the church. That is not required under the EEOC, so keep that in mind, okay? That is really important because the EEOC provides that if the employer places a burden on an employee that's too difficult for them to overcome, that it may be viewed as retaliation. So you definitely want to steer clear of that. And if and when in doubt, feel free to contact counsel and run the request by counsel to make sure that you're standing on firm ground.
Wow, thank you, Kristina. Learned something new today. We also want to thank you all for joining us. Please like this video if you find the information helpful and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Goodbye.